What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstein, and just today I am really excited to check out the first phone on this channel here in 2023, and this is the OnePlus 11. And of course, this is one of the brands that I'm always very familiar and fond with, and I'm really thankful that OnePlus has decided to send me here a review unit for me to unpack and show you guys. And of course, OnePlus, the last phone, which was the OnePlus 10T, was one of the last few phones that I actually did review back in 2022, and I really did enjoy it. And yes, I know there are a lot of things around saying that, this phone's company is a bit of a downhill, and it had the phone of the dud, I think the dud of the year by MKBHD last year. But we gotta give it a fair shot. I mean, everybody deserves second chances, and I'm just really excited to check out this phone over here just to see what we're gonna get, and of course, get you a more precise look on this phone. So yes, in today's video, what we're gonna do, of course, is to unbox this, check out the specs and features here, and of course, just to give you my thoughts and my opinions on it at the end of the video. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're going to start off here with the packaging, and again, this is just the review unit. You're not going to exactly get this. Normally you're going to get this from the retail stores, and over here as well we do have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which I did enjoy the Buds and Buds 2, and I'm going to do a separate video on this, so do not worry. And of course, if we unbox this over here on the bottom, I always do like their unboxing style because they always gave us a lot when it comes to this. I mean, I really did, I think, since the OnePlus 8 Pro, and they've given us this over here. Let's see what else we are going to get. So if I just gonna move this to the side, okay, some paper here. Oh, nice, sliding off. So normally they're gonna give me a phone case, but so happened that this time they did not give a phone case. And here we have the welcome to Cloud 11, and of course software and OnePlus has always been a really close thing for the last few years. Everybody knows when it comes to OnePlus, they always talk about the software, the clean, smooth, fast software. And of course over here we have the new 13 channel multi-sensor, all the speed features here, and also we have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 as well. So we're going to read a little bit. I mean, they did give it to us anyway, isn't it? So if you guys want to read a little bit more, do freeze this and read it for yourself. I mean, you can read, right? Okay, and going on to the next one here, looking at this, the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, that is heavily advertised with this as well. And we have the 1% 5G, the epitome of power, and then it does come with Cloud 11 for the global unit. So these are the main things over here. We're gonna put it to the side, and now let's check out the phone from this box. Very classic red, which I really do like, and of course it does have the Hasselblad logo on the bottom. As you can see, here it's all sealed and ready to go. Alright, so here we have the OnePlus 11, which I'm super excited to check out, and of course we're in a different setting here, so I'm just gonna unbox this and open up this bad boy up right here. So you just gotta take out the seals on the packaging, and definitely I really do like the red. I mean, they have remained very consistent. I mean, a lot of people say they have changed a lot, but if you look at the packaging, it always remains the same. So you're just gonna put it on the back, and here is the thing here. So they have a subtle never settle here, and also the 11 on the sides. Nothing much else. And this one here, just to let you guys know, this one does come with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage. For the price point, I can't really tell you how much is it yet. I will put it on the video if it does come out by the time the global launch is announced and the local price is announced. And over here we do have the packaging, so let us just see how to take this out nicely. I always have a tendency to just rip it out, and then probably they get angry with me. So here we have all this quick guide, safety guide stickers, and pretty interesting, very nice stickers. I wonder which other company does this. All right, and going on here, which is the phone, and we are going to just put it aside. So it looks like we're not going to get any phone case with this, which is a bit of a bummer. We have the charger over here, 100 watts of super VOOC charging. It is a little bit of a step down from the 150 watts that we did get with the 10T. And finally here we have the USB-A to USB-C cable, which is surprising because normally they give us the USB-C to USB-C. And now we are going to check out the phone. So here we go. Oh my goodness, looking really, really nice. This is the green color edition. This is a really solid color. I really do like it here. I think they call this the emerald green if not mistaken. And yes, it is very shiny and very glossy on the back. And I do like that super huge camera layout. I think this is one of their best in terms of the layout design. I think this is really unique in that sense. You look at that chrome finish they have over here, looking really, really nice. And of course they put it all to one side. Really do enjoy it. And of course you can see me right here, handsome looking figure. And yeah, it's just looking really, really nice. And I'm just going to turn this on and set up my phone, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.